It was a warm day across the valley today. Your temperatures are 99 in McAllen. Rio Grande City went over 100. Closer to the coast, it was a little cooler. This is where we stand right now. It's 80 in Port Isabel, 79 at this hour in Harlingen. Brownsville checks in at 80 degrees. Here are those highs tomorrow. You're looking at about 106 in the far west, anywhere from 100 to 103 across the middle part of the valley. 99 even in Brownsville. If you want to find a cool place, head to South Padre Island, about 83. The difference, besides tomorrow being hotter than today, is the dew points are going to drop. It'll be a much drier day, so at least the heat indices, what it feels like, should be right at what the high temperature is. It won't feel any hotter than that because the humidity will be low. An average high of 101 tomorrow. The record's 105, amazingly. 94 on Thursday because of a weak cool front. And then on Friday, back to 100 again. Records are again all up well over 100 degrees. Here's First One 5 Doppler Network. It's quiet, of course, tonight. It'll be very quiet tomorrow, but cloud cover wise, we'll probably see some low clouds early tomorrow. But boy, once that sunshine takes over, temperatures are going to warm up quickly. You'll be in the mid to upper 90s by lunchtime and still going up from there. Now, a weak front slides through early Thursday morning, and because of that, it's not quite as hot. Still warm. Temperatures back in the 90s, but probably not over 100 on Thursday. Now, these fronts are coming in with very little moisture to work with, so we're dry Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday with an ever so slight chance of a shower early Sunday. We're talking probably 5%. Just about all the moisture, if not all of it, will stay to our north with that front as well. Texas, most of the state's quiet tonight. Some rain showing up in the far northern parts of the state up into the Panhandle. There's a front up there. That's the front that'll still be north of us tomorrow, but out ahead of it, a dry line. And that dry line ushers in very low humidity air. At the same time, it flips the winds around, so they come from the northwest, and that's off the Mexican plateau. And that downslopes as it comes down, so it's just hot on many levels. And with that, you end up with those very warm temperatures. Now, we move on into Thursday, and that front actually pushes south of us briefly. So Thursday is just a little cooler, and then Friday it races back to the north as a warm front, and we're right back up near 100 again for Friday and Saturday. By Sunday, this front pushes through, giving us that very slight chance for a shower and a big cool down, though, for Monday into Tuesday. If you're headed to the beach in the morning, winds out of the southwest early. That small craft advisory in effect for another hour and a half, a little more than that. Tomorrow afternoon's temperatures at the island, even there, getting close to 90 degrees, which is warm for the beach this time of year. There are 3 tides. Sea a little high, 5 to 7 feet. The bay is choppy. The bay temperature at 78. So tonight we bottom out in the mid 70s under partly cloudy skies, and then tomorrow up to 101 as an average high. Keep in mind the farther west you are, the hotter it's going to be. Closer you get to Falcon Lake, more likely you are to be 105, 106. If you're at the beach, upper 80s probably. A little bit of a cool down Thursday, then Friday back to 100, Saturday 102, then the front Saturday night, Sunday morning makes a difference, only in the 80s for Sunday into early next week. That is your updated First One 5 forecast. Joel.